Researching your ancestors using land records could be very rewarding. You never know what kind of little goodies you're going to find. Uh, it's nice to plot them on a good map, and one of my favorites are topographical. Uh, my favorite site for getting these would be the library map project, and here I've got a map drawn by one of my ancestors, not exactly to scale. We know it was by Coyle, Oklahoma, and technically not a lot of these houses are left. Cemetery still there. But I've got a oil and gas lease for this J.A. Byerly. So let's go ahead and find a map for him. Go ahead and go to Oklahoma. And we're going to search for the town of Coyle. Okay, we get 2 hits. We know, well, I know Logan. It's in Logan County. Now these TIFFs are huge. Hope you have broadband when you download these. Can be 10 megs or more. But rather than to take the time to download them, I already have. Okay. Now here is the town of Coyle. And up here in the corners, you're going to actually see it tell you where the next map's going to be. So just to the northwest of here is Clear Creek. Straight to the north is Stillwater. And it goes clear around. Now you're also going to want to pay attention to these T's, and it's hard to see, but there's an R, that's township and range. And these little numbers in here, these are section numbers. And there's 6 square miles in a township and range. And these are how they're laid out. Top right, it starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next row goes the opposite direction, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. On down until you hit 36. That's the basics for plotting it, and that's all we're going to need for this particular one. So, here I've got this oil and gas lease, and it was made in 1904. Here we see the owners of the property. We got J.A. Byerly and what looks to be L.E. Byerly, which would be his wife. And the lease goes to 1907. Next page, we actually get the location of the property. So let's go ahead and write that down. Okay, it'd be the southeast quarter of section 26, township 18, range 1 west, and it was 160 acres. Now what's easy here, it's only a quarter of a section, which is 160 acres, so it's going to be easy to plot. And we always start with the, well, it's nice to have the prime meridian Don't have it here, but we start out with township and range, go to the section, and then it's the southeast quarter of section 26. So let's go to the map. Okay, we've got township 17 and 18 in range 1 west and 1 east. Let's look at the description. So it'd be 1 west, so it'd be to the left of the range line, and township 18, so it's 18 north, so it'd be north of here. Now I've already gone through it. You might want to get all 4 maps around this corner to get a good idea of where it's at, but I know it's in Clear Creek. Now, it's hard to see from here, but let's zoom in. These little red numbers are the sections, and they're 1 square mile. So all we have to do now is find section 26. That would be this one here. Okay. So here we have the Clarkston Cemetery, which we had on the map. Now if you look right up here, there's a little square. That means there's a building there. These dotted lines mean dirt roads. So we know he was in the southeast quarter of section 26. I'll just use the little photograph tool. Get right in the middle. And we know this is where his property was. So let's go back to the map. Okay. Here we have the cemetery, we've got the church, and we got J.A. Byerly's property. And we got the cemetery. Church no longer exists, so his property house was maybe in the midsection on the right side of the land. Now this is going to be very useful if you ever want to go visit. And hope you enjoy.